Yeah, let me show you where this cold weather's coming from, David. We're lucky in a way. Take a look at what's been going on up in the Midwest. This is the storm that dumped 15 inches of snow in Colorado and Kansas. In fact, 19 inches in Boulder County, Colorado yesterday. St. Louis area you're looking at now, they have 10 inches of snow on the ground, still snowing there tonight. May continue to snow tomorrow across Illinois where they could get a foot. As far east as D.C., it may be snowing again tomorrow. Meanwhile, farther south in the warmer air, this was the Arnold Palmer Invitational down in Orlando today. Had to be called completely off. There was so much wind and rain there. Meanwhile, back here, it's been very spring-like lately, so much so that our viewers are flooding our inbox right now with pictures of lovely bluebonnets popping up everywhere. You can check out the photo gallery on KXAN.com. In fact, that's one of the reasons that the National Weather Service says they've issued this freeze warning tonight, because we have seen so much budding of spring trees and plants and flowers already that this could be a killing freeze tonight out in the hill country primarily. But even in those cold, low-lying areas around the metro area, also a light freeze is a possibility in the morning. That's why the freeze warning includes all metro counties and hill country counties through tomorrow morning. This is what we're expecting now in the hill country. It could be as cold as, now only in the lowest cold pockets out here, I think we drop to 25 in the morning, a little closer to 32 in most locations. Average last freeze, well, it was just yesterday, so it's not unusual to get a freeze at the end of March out in the hill country. Now in Austin, our average last freeze is the 4th of March. Right in town at Camp Mabry, the average last freeze is February 23rd. Now, we're not expecting a freeze right in town, close to 35 in the morning, but the coldest valleys could dip into the upper 20s, even in the metro area, and then not very many places off to the east are we expecting a freeze in the morning, where the average last freeze was also very early this month. Okay, tonight we're already down. We'll look at Fredericksburg there, 42, 46 degrees in Llano. Metro area, mainly low 50s right now. In our eastern counties, also mainly in the low 50s. In Austin, skies are clear. It's 52 right now. We're expecting that overnight tonight in the cities. We mentioned mid-30s, but look, it's already 44 at the airport, so it probably will freeze out at ABIA in the morning. But again, that is one of the coldest spots in Travis County. Winds right now 5 to 7 miles per hour. Sunrise in the morning at 7:28. Cold to the north and chilly to the south. The whole state getting the chill today because of the storm we just told you about. And there it goes. That blue is all snow still flying there all the way over to the Ohio Valley. Meanwhile, we've had those gusty north winds today, up to 40 miles per hour. But tonight they have relaxed, and that lighter wind will actually allow it to get colder. In fact, we're going to have several cold mornings all the way through Wednesday morning. I think only freezing weather, probably 2 mornings. And then warmer weather and a chance of rain toward the end of the week. Tonight, the overnight lows, again, freezing in the hill country and close to it in other places. Tomorrow, highs in the 50s to right around 60 degrees, maybe a little above 60 in the Austin area. 35 overnight in downtown Austin, and then 62 tomorrow with sunshine and north-northeast winds. And on the 7-day forecast, almost just as cold again Tuesday morning. But then we begin warming up on Wednesday, 70. And then by the end of the week, we're way up into the 70s. And fortunately, have at least a slight chance of rain to talk about beginning on Thursday, and maybe some slightly better chances Friday all the way to Easter Sunday.